In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add video message to your Telegram story. You can simply create a side video clip and add it to your story on Telegram in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Telegram. Tap on the story icon to add any photo or video. On this page, tap right here on this pip icon to record a video inside your story. You can just swipe up to lock it in. Tap right here to switch to either the front or behind camera. You can also drag your video frame to any angles you wish to. Tap on next and your story will get shared successfully with a video message in it. That's how easy it is to share video messages on Telegram stories. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.